Guys, you are welcome to the Boss International Success Story team. Today, I'm going to review the Premium Boss International program, which is the ultimate program that you can afford to miss. This is a program that is pre-launch, and I want my team to be at the top of this program. That's why I'm making this video as earlier as possible. The Boss Up is a wonderful business with a 2-metric system that can literally make you become a billionaire. This is a pre-launch program which I'm about to reveal to you guys. As I promised to be updating you on the Boss International business, this is a collaboration and it's an elite business that you can afford to miss. I got this from one of the elite Boss International members, and I want to share this program with you. The name of the program is Boss Up. You are welcome to Boss Up. Welcome to the ultimate program, a collaboration between Boss International and Upper Class Corp. Be ready to achieve your goals, dreams, and succeed in life only here at Boss Up. Guys, please, this is an opportunity. Being the first to know this premium package, you can afford to miss. I want my team to be successful, to become the most successful people in this program, and the time to join is now. That's why I'm making this video for you to know earlier the better. As you can see, a collaboration, the concept of this collaboration between the Boss International and the Upper Class Corp is to build a strategic alliance between that will provide a unique and specific solution for continuous business that is adaptive for the members of both parties in whatever situation they might be. It is formulated a mutual alliance to work together, creating marketing and sales synergy that is beneficial for all the parties involved. This is an elite Boss International program that I want you to take advantage of. You can't afford to miss this business. Here is Mr. Rommel Tabaniak and the VP of Boss. As you all know, the Boss International was founded in January 15, 2018. Boss already has thousands of distributors and a significant number of successful network marketers, with the aim to share their success stories and inspire the rest of the world. With a global vision of becoming the instrument to the most number of shared success stories globally, Boss is expanding its market reach internationally. So join us in this journey towards a million and million of success stories. And one of the amazing thing about this business is that you can join worldwide, anywhere you are in the world. Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, United States. You can join anywhere you are in the world. These are the upper class cup team. And you know, the upper class cup is the producer and distributor of professional and upper class athletes supplements in the Philippines. These people are highly recognized and they have a very good reputation with a strategic marketing system that ensures unparalleled income growth for our partners and distributors. With the athlete community as the major customer base, Upper Class Cup specializes in ensuring potent products that the body needs, not just to stay healthy but to become stronger. Guys, you can't afford to miss this wonderful business. You can't afford to miss this business. So this summary about this business. I'll leave my number in the description of this video. You can chat with me via WhatsApp. I'll leave a link that you can chat with me via WhatsApp at the description of these videos. So if you need more explanation about this business, you can chat me. The starter package is 5,888 pesos, which is the Philippine currency, equivalent to 41,216 naira. That's in Nigeria currency, and which is equal to $110. This is something you can afford to miss, guys. So the earlier the better, as I promised to update you on any upgrade of Boss International. So I'm updating you the earlier the better. As I'm talking to you now, I am already in. So this is an opportunity for you to be part of this business. This is awesome. This is health niche, and the health niche is now everywhere in the world. You can sell this anywhere you are in the world. The health niche is the best niche that you can make cool cash anywhere you are in the world. So these are the products that you can get. We have the Ultima Protects. They are all health niche. We have the Ultima Slim for people that are you can sell this in a weight loss niche, belly fats, and all this. The Slim White, you see, all these products are awesome. This boost for basketballers and all these athletes. So this is a wonderful business that you can afford to miss. And I make this video for you, my team, and my subscribers to be the first to know about this Boss International Premium and Elite business uncovered pre-launch that you can make tons and tons of income, being you the first to know about this business. So I will leave a link to my website where you can go and read more about the business. You can chat with me via the chat on my website, and you can contact me via WhatsApp through the link I'm about to leave in the description of this video. So nice to meet you, and I'm happy to meet you at this time. And I am sorry about the pandemic we are in, and I hope and pray for a quick control over the virus. On behalf of my team, the Boss International Success Story, this is all I am about to present here about the Boss Up. And we have incentive promos that you can get from this business. If you are interested in this business, contact me. This is the business of the elites. Be one of us. Join now.